Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about your fitness goals, you know that what you eat is just as important as how you train. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate post-workout meal, the grilled chicken breast power plate. We're talking juicy, perfectly grilled chicken breast, fluffy quinoa, and vibrant green broccoli. It's not just food, it's fuel for your body. So why is this combination so powerful? Let's start with the star of the show, the chicken breast. This isn't just any protein. It's the best lean protein for muscle recovery. When you work out, you create tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers. Protein is what your body uses to repair those tears, making your muscles stronger. Chicken breast is packed with high quality, complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids your body needs to get the job done efficiently. Plus, it's incredibly lean, so you're getting all the muscle-building goodness without a lot of unnecessary fat. Now, let's get cooking. The secret to a perfect grilled chicken breast is all in the prep. You don't want a dry, tough piece of chicken. First, let's talk about thickness. I always like to pound my chicken breasts to an even thickness, about 3/4 of an inch. This ensures it cooks evenly, so you won't have a dry outside and an undercooked inside. You can use a meat mallet or even a rolling pin or a heavy pan. Just place the chicken between two pieces of plastic wrap and gently pound it out. Next up, the marinade. This is where you can really get creative and add a ton of flavor without adding a ton of calories. For a simple all-purpose marinade, I love using a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, a little bit of dried oregano, and some salt and pepper. The lemon juice not only adds a bright, fresh flavor, but its acidity also helps to tenderize the chicken. Whisk all those ingredients together in a bowl, add your chicken, and make sure it's fully coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. If you have more time, an hour or two is even better. This step is crucial for locking in both moisture and flavor. While our chicken is marinating, let's talk about our super carb, quinoa. A lot of people are scared of carbs, but they are your body's primary energy source. After a tough workout, your glycogen stores are depleted. You need quality carbohydrates to replenish them. Quinoa is a fantastic choice because it's not just a carb. It's a complete protein itself. It's also a complex carbohydrate, which means it digests slowly, providing you with sustained energy and helping to keep you full. Plus, it's loaded with fiber, which is great for your digestive health. Cooking quinoa is super simple, but there's one step you absolutely cannot skip: rinsing it. Quinoa has a natural coating called saponin, which can taste bitter or soapy. Just put your quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold water for about a minute until the water runs clear. Then, the ratio is easy to remember: 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water or broth. For extra flavor, I love cooking mine in low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer, cover, and let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until all the liquid is absorbed. Once it's done, turn off the heat and let it sit, covered, for another 5 minutes. Then, fluff it with a fork. Perfect fluffy quinoa every time. Alright, our chicken has marinated, and it's time to hit the grill. Whether you're using an outdoor grill or an indoor grill pan, make sure it's nice and hot before you put the chicken on. A hot grill gives you those beautiful grill marks and a great sear that locks in the juices. Brush the grates with a little bit of oil to prevent sticking. Place your chicken on the grill, and here's the key: don't touch it. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on the first side. You'll know it's ready to flip when it releases easily from the grill. If it's sticking, it's not ready yet. Flip it over and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on the other side. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your chicken. The most reliable way to check for doneness is with a meat thermometer. You want the internal temperature to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Once it's there, take it off the grill immediately. And here's the most important tip for juicy chicken: let it rest. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you slice into it. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat. If you cut it too soon, all that moisture will just run out onto your board. While the chicken is resting, let's quickly prepare our greens. We're using broccoli, a true nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. It's an incredible vegetable for supporting your immune system and overall health. My favorite way to cook it is to quickly steam it. This method cooks it fast, so it retains its bright green color, crisp, tender texture, and most of its nutrients. You can use a steamer basket over a pot of boiling water. It only takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, I like to toss it with a tiny bit of olive oil, squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Now, it's time to assemble our power plate. This is where presentation makes the meal even more satisfying. Start with a generous scoop of that fluffy quinoa. Next, slice your rested, juicy grilled chicken breast against the grain and arrange it beautifully over the quinoa. Finally, add a vibrant pile of that steamed broccoli on the side. Look at that meal. It's a feast for the eyes and a powerhouse of nutrition for your body. You have your lean protein for muscle repair, your complex carbs for energy replenishment, and your fibrous, nutrient-dense vegetables for overall health and wellness. This meal is perfectly balanced to help you recover faster, build lean muscle, and feel amazing. It's proof that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It can be delicious, satisfying, and perfectly aligned with your fitness journey. And the best part is how versatile this meal is. You can meal prep this. Cook a big batch of chicken, quinoa, and broccoli on a Sunday, and you have healthy lunches ready for the week. You can switch up the marinade for the chicken, use different spices on your vegetables, or even swap quinoa for brown rice or sweet potatoes. The core principle remains the same: protein, complex carb, and vegetables. This isn't just a recipe, it's a template for success. It's about making conscious choices that support your goals and nourish your body from the inside out. When you fuel your body with high-quality food like this, you'll feel the difference in your workouts, your recovery, and your energy levels throughout the day. So give this grilled chicken power plate a try after your next workout. Your muscles will thank you for it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to get in the kitchen and fuel your fitness. If you enjoyed this video and want more healthy, delicious recipes like this, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Let me know in the comments what your favorite post-workout meal is. Stay strong, eat well, and I'll see you in the next video.